Elements of an essay. Thesis. This refers to a proposition or a stand about a particular topic. This must be true but arguable. The details that are included in the essay must revolve around it. Examples of a thesis. Boracay must be visited for its pristine white sand, the water activities you can enjoy there, and the taste of Filipino food that it offers. A thesis statement is usually placed at the end of the introductory paragraph. For this example, the motive here is to convince people to visit Boracay. There are 3 points presented here that the writer used to convince readers to believe the writer for them to visit Boracay, which are for its pristine white sand, the water activities you can enjoy there, and the taste of Filipino food that it offers. As for the order of these points, you can arrange them from least to the most important detail. The purpose for having this order is to develop the interest of readers throughout the text. Baguio City is known for its cool weather, hardworking people, and peaceful environment. For this example, the motive here is to inform people about the reasons why Baguio City is known, which are for its cool weather, hardworking people, and peaceful environment. In this arrangement, we may say that these points are arranged from the least important detail toward the most important detail. Arranging this order is relative and it calls for a writer's sound judgment, which point should be taken as the least important and which point should be taken as the most important detail. Preparing for an examination requires one's focus, time, and resources. For this example, the motive is informative, that is, informing people about what it takes to prepare for an examination. Similar with the preceding samples presented, we may say that the points presented here are in logical order, whereas one's resources is the least important detail and focus as the most important detail. You need to remember that each of these points would occupy one paragraph to be discussed in your body, and this logical order must be aligned with the order of your discussion in your body. Motive. This relates to the reason why an essay is written and why the target audience should read the essay. The introductory paragraph must define the motive. A motive provides something new or something never thought of before. Structure. There must be a logical flow of idea being observed. The transition of ideas must be smooth. It is a good idea that the structure of an essay features an opportunity to answer questions that readers will likely raise as they read the essay. Deductive approach. The approach is deductive if we start from the general detail towards the specific details. For example, you start with saying that Boracay must be visited. This is a general detail. Specific details for this would be because of its pristine sand, water activities, etc. Inductive approach. The approach is inductive if we start from the specific details towards the general detail. For example, you start with details saying the reasons why people should go to Boracay. Now, you lead your readers towards your general detail saying that people must visit Boracay. Evidence. These are the pieces of information provided to support the thesis presented. In order for the essay to become convincing, the evidences to be presented must be ample and concrete to support the thesis. The evidences presented must be explicitly connected with the idea. Sources. In order to present your argument well, you must use factual information from reliable sources. Thank you for watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe the channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Thank you!